Hello student, in this video I am going to discuss diversity of civics, part 1 of diversity. Points to be discussed in these videos are: the difference among people can be due to many reasons including gender, religion, language and region. India is very diverse land with many different languages, culture, religion and tradition. The diversity of a place is affected by its geography and also its history. The term unity in diversity is coined by Jawaharlal Nehru. So in part 1 of this video I am going to discuss only point 1 and point 2, and in second part I will discuss the rest. A science teacher has given a project in class. She has written a few questions on the board and all the students have to answer them. The questions are: which is your favorite sports? Which is your favorite food? What is your most important festival? Which language do you speak at home? Now let's see some of the answers. Sam's favorite sports is football. He likes to eat biryani. His festival is Christmas and he speaks Malayalam at home. Rahul's favorite sports is football. He likes to eat aloo paratha. His festival is Diwali and he speaks Hindi at home. Nisha's favorite sports is swimming. She loves to eat rice and fish curry. Her festival is Durga Puja. She speaks Bengali at home. Riya's favorite festival is tennis. She loves to eat Chinese dish. Her festival is Diwali and she speaks Punjabi at home. The children are different. They eat different food and speaks different language at home. They are all friends. They study together and play games and do lot of activities together. If we look around our neighborhood or around the country, each individual is unique and different from each other. To accept and respect difference between individual and also understand that each individual is unique lies the concept of diversity. So, the state of being widely varied is known as diversity. India is the best example of unity in diversity. India is a land of great diversity where people, despite of their difference, lived harmoniously. They follow different religions, eat different food, celebrate different festivals, and speaks various languages. But they all are Indians and do many things identically. Many kinds of diversity occurs in India, such as linguistic diversity. Our constitution has recognized 22 languages as national language. Religious diversity. India is a country where people has faith in different religion. Diversity in food and festival. India's every region has its own food habits depending on the food available there. Regional and cultural diversity. The geographical feature plays an important role on the eating habits, clothing, custom, etc. So there is different cultural diversity in different regions.